Hello, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we are playing What is the Equation? The task ahead of us is to find the equation of a parabola that passes through these 3 points, 1, -2, 0, -3, -1, -6. And so let's just go straight to work on this. Right, so what do we need to do? Well, I'm going to make a certain assumption that this is a quadratic trinomial which has this form. And if that's the case, then I can take one of these sets of points, which I think I'll choose the middle set of points, which, if you recall, was 0, -3. This set of points indicates our y-intercept. So I'm fairly confident that the value of c will be -3, but I'll just go through the process of demonstrating that. So if we make x equals 0, that means that we have a times 0 to the power of 2 plus b times 0. Just put the dots in there so that you can see that, minus 3 equals -3. So my assumption that this would be the value of c is correct. I could have put c in here. We'd still get the same result. So what we know is that c equals -3. So that's one of these letters discovered. Now let's go and find out what the other ones are. So we're still going to be using this structure here, and what I'm going to do, I'll just straighten up my page a little bit. We'll just see if we can get that a little straighter. Yeah. What we're going to do is we're going to take another one of those sets of points, 1, -2 in this case, and we're going to put that into this equation, including c. We know the value of c, so we're going to use that. So that is a times 1 squared plus b times 1, that's using x equals 1, minus 3 equals, according to this, -2. Now let's tidy that up. So 1 squared is 1, so that's a, b times 1 is b, a plus b minus 3 equals -2. From that, we can comfortably say that a plus b equals 1. And this may well be important, because I think we're going to solve this using simultaneous equations. Okay, next set of points, -1, -6. So we do the same thing. A times -1 to the power of 2 plus b times -1 minus 3, apparently that equals -6. Again, tidy this up. -1 squared is 1, so that is a. B times -1 is -b, so a minus b. Minus 3 equals -6. And we can tidy that up to a minus b equals -3. And you'll see here, hopefully, that we have the constituents of a set of simultaneous equations. So let's put those to work. A plus b equals 1, a minus b equals -3. Let's add these. And what we get is we get 2a, the b's disappear. 1 plus -3 equals -2, so a is going to equal -1. So what we know now is that c equals -3 and a equals -1. Now, we don't need to do very much more. What we know is that if a equals -1 and we add b to it, we get 1. So let's just fill that out. -1 plus b equals 1. I think we can reasonably say that b is equal to 2. And so our equation is negative 1x squared, that's the a, plus 2x minus 3. That is our equation. Let's get all of this in focus, and I'll run through this again. 2a equals negative 2, we got that from that, so a equals negative 1. We know that c equals negative 3. We go up here and we take this equation, a plus b equals 1. A is negative 1, so negative 1 plus b equals 1. B therefore equals 2. Put these numbers in here, so that's a, that's b, and that's c. And we have negative 1x squared plus 2x minus 3 presumably equals 0. That's our equation, which we can tidy up again to negative x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. A is negative 1, B is 2, C is negative 3, and that is how you do that. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.